Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to cover the official website of Selenium. So, what is the official website of Selenium? The official website of Selenium is selenium.dev. If you type this selenium.dev in any browser, then you are going to get the official website of Selenium. Let me show you practically. Let me open the browser here. Any browser, it can be Chrome, Firefox, etc. In that browser, you type the address of the official website of Selenium, that is selenium.dev, and press enter. Now, this is whatever that you are able to see on the screen. This application is nothing but the official website of Selenium. Why this official website of Selenium is required? You see, in real time or real world, if you get some news about something, do you believe if you get that particular news from a WhatsApp message or any other kind of message or SMS, do you believe such kind of stuff? No, right? When do you believe that particular news is correct or not? So, whatever the news channel that you generally follow and trust, in that news channel, if you are getting such kind of message, then you will believe. But if you are getting such kind of news message in a WhatsApp or any other platforms, you will not trust it, right? It may be fake. We don't know. Similarly, any update related to Selenium, we can trust if it is posted on the official website of Selenium. Okay? So, if you are getting some update regarding Selenium on a WhatsApp, WhatsApp group or somewhere else, okay, from a friend, etc., you cannot believe or trust it as it is. If you get the same message posted on this official website of Selenium, we can trust it. Other channels or sources, we cannot trust easily. Okay? It may be right or wrong, but coming to the trust, we'll only trust if it is coming from a proper source. Right? So here in case of Selenium, the proper source is this official website of Selenium. So what are the main things that will be there in this, or what are the main benefits that we'll get by using this official website of Selenium? The first benefit is updates. Where can we get the updates for this Selenium? You see, there is something like blog. Just select this blog. All the updates will come here. Okay, will be posted here. Chrome moves to 2 weeks releases. Like that, you see, whatever the updates I am getting here. Okay, these are trusted updates or news or posts related to Selenium. If I'm able to get this news related to Selenium from this blog section of the Selenium, I'll definitely trust. Okay, because this is the official website of Selenium. Second advantage of using this official website is documentation, guys. Okay. All the documentation related to this Selenium automation tool will be available here. Okay. You can go through the documentation of Selenium from here. You see, lot of documentation is there. If you have any doubts about some feature of this Selenium automation tool, you can come and explore in this particular documentation. Third thing is if you want to download anything related to Selenium. Okay. If you want to download the Selenium related stuff, so official website of Selenium is the best place from where you can do the downloads. So these are the three main, benefits of using the official website of Selenium. First, purpose or benefit of using the official website is to get the updates that we generally get from the blog section of the official website. Second is the documentation, okay, official documentation of Selenium. Whatever the automation tool we are using, the detailed documentation of that automation tool is provided in the documentation section of this official website. And third is if you want to download anything related to Selenium, okay, we can come to this page. These are the three main pages: documentation, downloads, and blog from the official website of Selenium. So hope guys you understood what exactly is the official website of Selenium. The extension here is .dev guys. It's not .com or .qa or .in. It's .dev. Remember that. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.